Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Clearwater, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving over 50 miles from your current address, it is a long-distance move. 3 Movers offers excellent long-distance services. We also assist with both intrastate and interstate relocation. We also have a valid permit for interstate movement, which is a move that extends outside the state. We ensure the safety of your belongings when you put them in our care. Our movers are competent and they have excellent moving skills. They know how to carry heavy items without hitting them on the walls, and they also position them carefully inside the trucks. Our drivers are professionals and they drive carefully and quickly. We also have adequate insurance policies in place that cover the risk, and in no time and at no extra cost, all your belongings get to your destination. Your local move is also in capable hands when you hire 3 movers. We are fully aware of how tough it is to move your belongings around in the busy city like Clearwater. That's why we dedicate time to familiarize ourselves with the various paths of the town. We know the best way to move your belongings and have excellent customer service. Apart from our numerous outstanding qualities, locals love us because of our low prices. We charge as low as $34 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Clearwater moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.